In a sunny garden, bright and fair, lived many birds with stories to share. First, there's the parrot on a carrot, green and bold, chatting away, tales of treasure untold. A sparrow on a barrow chirps with glee, flitting around, as busy as can be. It hops and it skips, so light on its feet. In search of small bugs, it's quite the treat. The owl on a towel, wise and old, sleeps through the day, for nights are cold. With eyes so big, it sees in the dark, and hoots to the moon, a magical spark. Robin in the garden, red breast so bright, sings a sweet tune, from morning till night. It hops on the ground, pecking for a worm, a sight that makes little hearts squirm. Near the water, stands the peacock on the dock. Its feathers fan out, like a colorful clock. With a majestic strut and a call so grand, it dances a dance on the golden sand. A gentle dove in the glove sits so serene, with feathers as soft as a creamy dream. It coos a soft lullaby, a peaceful song, spreading love and joy all day long. The swan at dawn, gliding on the lake, leaves a trail of ripples in its wake. With neck so graceful, like a ballerina's bow, it moves with such elegance, ever so slow. On a park bench, a finch on a bench sings a chirpy tune, without a wrench. It flutters its wings, so tiny and swift, bringing cheer to all, like a precious gift. Up in the sky, a pigeon on a vision flies high and free, with perfect precision. It circles above, with a gentle coo, spreading its wings, in the wide sky blue. In a cozy nook, a canary in a dairy sings a melody, so light and airy. With yellow feathers and a voice so sweet, it fills the air with joy, a pleasant treat. These birds, they play and sing all day, in their own special, delightful way. They teach us colors, songs, and flight, filling our hearts with pure delight. In this garden, where the sun shines bright, birds of all kinds bring endless delight. From the parrot on a carrot to the canary in a dairy, each one is unique and oh so merry. So listen closely, and you will hear the sounds of nature, so pure and clear. With birds as our teachers, we learn and grow in the magical garden, where everything glows. And when the day ends, and the sun sets low, the birds tuck in, as the night winds blow, dreaming of adventures, both near and far, under the twinkling, shining star. So, little ones, remember this rhyme. Learn the birds' names, in your own sweet time. For in their stories, there's wisdom to gain, a love for nature, in sunshine or rain.